how to create new account on Mobile Legends. So if you want to create a new account on Mobile Legends, then first you just need to open up your Mobile Legends application. And here you just need to choose your country or your region, and you need to simply tap on OK, or you can also change the number. So this is your character number, or this is your username, right? So if you're okay with this, then tap on OK, and you need to also choose your gender and your country. Once you've chosen, now tap on OK, and here you need to simply select a hero to start the game. So for example, I'll be choosing one and tap on confirm, and that's it. Your account has been created. You can simply play with this account, and if you want to switch your account, then you will have switch accounts option. You just need to simply go for switch account and you can switch your account. So that's how you can create a new account on Mobile Legends. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.